welcome back to another video. And today, guys, I'm with my lovely friend. She's not my friend, she's my sister, but Heavy. Heavy, the lovely queen of this world. And guys, this is Ham. This is not. Guys, what are the comments about? They're all about this girl, Heavy. Heavy, did you not know? Have you read my comments? Yeah.
No.
Oh my God, Heavy should know. But what are we playing today, Heavy?
Adopt Me.
Adopt Me 2018. So let's get into Adopt Me. I'm trying to get a monkey box here.
Oh.
Because
I have enough.
You have enough. But guys, I want to get it my own. I don't want to get Heavy. So guys, let's get into the game. So I'm going to be a parent because I love parents. And guys, my bad login streak. I'm on a 1 day, but I'm supposed to be on a 4th day. But guys, I never play Adopt Me because I play so much. So, if you look at my money, I'm so close. Guys, last video, I take care of my cat. I'm on my 1 login streak. But wait. Kiwi told me before this video, she said that you could change house. And I didn't believe her.
Yeah, and you can colour your house.
Wait.
Look.
Oh yeah, I know that.
No.
I coloured it blue. But guys, I'm going to change it in this video. I'm going to change it. At the end, I'm going to change the colour. I'm going to change it to a colour. Okay, guys. But I want to get a monkey box. I'm not going to stop this video till I get a monkey box.
Look, I have enough. 747.
Hope you get a monkey when you open one.
I have a Puma pretty, and I have a fully grown robin.
But guys, this is making me crazy. Look, teleport.
Man, I'm thirsty.
Where you are?
Oh, hi.
Hi. Heavy's house looks way bigger than mine's.
I know.
Okay, guys, I choose already for the next video. Next video, we're going to see if I can upgrade my house. Crazy cat, crazy cat, crazy cat. She was like, guys, you see?
Please come to my party. It is great.
It's not going to be grey.
No, it's not. Yeah.
So let's do
I
it.
have like a shower.
It's a shower. That's a nice shower.
Thank you.
It's really lovely. But guys, Heavy's only been in 1 video and now this is your 2nd video, isn't it?
Yeah, come on, I'm just gonna go. Bye. Okay, come on.
But Heavy, it's not actually been comments that people have sending you. Do you know what they said?
What?
That YouTube's saying that you need TV. Because guys,
Let's have
in
a
the first video, Adopt Me, that for $15. It's cheap. Heavy's on a better login streak than me.
How am I?
You're on a 27 of I'm on a 1 login streak.
Yeah.
But guys, who's the closest to get a golden egg? Heavy or me? How many stars do you have?
Me? I have 79.
I have 4. Because guys, I just started to Adopt Me like, not 4 days ago, but yeah, let's say 4 days.
I'm going to throw a party.
Now guys, I've changed my updates.
Fun.
I've changed my thingy.
And
Please, are my party's on? Okay, my party's on, Evie.
please put.
So guys, I have to go camping. Oh, Evie and my friend.
Have fun.
I'm gonna accept it. But I'm gonna go to camping, okay? I'm gonna come back, dear sister.
Mwah.
Don't cry, I'll come back. No. But guys, this Adopt Me is crazy. But guys, in the next video, I'm not gonna play Adopt Me. Because I already planned this out. I know that, guys, you wanted me to get a bigger house, and I already said that. But next, I'm playing a different game because Adopt Me is too much for me. I can't stop playing it. But I have to stop.
Hello.
But Heavy, Hevie can't play this game. So in the next video, Hevie won't be in the next video. Do you know why, Hevie? Because I'm going to be playing. So guys, let's go. Hi,
Man United was so close to score a penalty.
Guys, if you're watching the football right now, watch it because Ahmed just told you a secret.
Can I get in?
Why?
I'm gonna play with
Okay,
you.
come in, get your iPad. So guys, it's the whole family playing again. It's always the family playing.
I thought Man United was. If Russia should throw a penalty,
Who's winning?
it's still 1-1.
Oh my God, guys! And if Tottenham wins, Omar's gonna get his PC.
And
Make sure to subscribe to the Omar
and family.
Omar.
And guys, when Tottenham win, Omar's gonna get his wand. It's gonna get all.
I already got my one.
Where is it?
Daddy ordered it.
Is it coming today?
No, in like another 4 days. Guys, I think campaign's gonna stop. Oh no!
Who has Piggy in the house? Hi, Piggy.
Quickly!
I'm in the server. I'm gonna teleport to Omar.
Piggy's a nice party.
Can I get in the party, please? Please. Please, sister.
Guys, I just really want a monkey
Somebody
box.
invited me.
So I'm trying to get a monkey box. Everyone's trying to get a monkey box. They're gonna leave
Let me
soon.
sleep and I want to sleep.
Guys, can you be quiet?
Okay.
Guys, I have some good news.
What is it?
My cat had Junior.
Who's Monkey?
Oh no, wait. You can name your cat.
Amran. Guess what I am? I am a wolf.
Wait. I'm gonna name him something that you will love.
Am I doing a video right now?
Yeah.
Ah.
Donuts.
I may as well subscribe to I may as well subscribe to Omar Football TV.
Oh yeah, he's growing up.
Hey, you'll see.
Bad guy, make sure to subscribe to, of course, the most important channel, Omran. Stay it together free.
Omran, go.
Because guys, I do not upload every day, but I upload so much for you guys.
Does somebody have an extra drink?
I don't even wait. Where can you get drinks from? Yeah, the coffee shop. But can you get them from somewhere else? That's
You
cheaper.
can get it from the grocery shop.
A grocery shop.
And I'll give you a free vehicle.
Ooh, a free vehicle, please. I actually get so tired of walk.
Okay, teleport to me, please.
Can you teleport to me instead?
Okay.
No, I'll teleport to you. Yes, I'm kind of wrecked.
Okay.
Hey, why,
I'm gonna
man?
give you a pizza unicycle.
No, I want a car or a bike. Something like that. Oh, can I have that one?
No.
Fine, just take me somewhere.
Okay, I'm gonna say Uber driver, get in.
No,
Okay, I need to invite.
I'm gonna have.
Hey, can we invite on my job? Our family.
Yeah, invite me.
Hey, you know woman's in a fudgy.
Okay, all of a sudden. Now I'm gonna put my cat in, and then I'm
I'm
gonna.
gonna say Uber driver.
Can you take me to school and hospital? Guys, 1 more minute. I have to stop this video.
Oh,
Okay, come on then.
wanna go to school and sick? Where do you wanna go first? Where do you wanna go first, school or thingy?
Stop me at the hospital and then take me to the school.
Okay. You named him Donor like Justin.
Who's Justin?
Justin, yeah, the link.
Lanky Box. The Lanky Box is really, and I love it. Drive, Emma, drive. Ah, don't. Ah.
I said,
Oh my God, guys. Justin.
Wait, Oman.
Justin and Adam, we really.
Oman, stay in the car, please. I need
Get me a healing apple and don't eat it.
Wait, Oman, I need to show you.
Baby, can you give me a pet? Because I'm running out of pets.
Look at this. This is the Johnny dance from a Nike.
Okay, now.
These are our little pizza parties. Guys are around to the game for started.
The biggest song's the best song ever in Lanky Box.
Yeah, and they make a new one.
They make a new version, guys.
Oh my god, how Evelyn's gonna go?
Is it?
Yeah.
Did you buy it?
No, somebody else bought it. No, it's going in 24 seconds.
Oh my god, I'm going. But then my cat.
Take it out.
I don't care. I'm gonna go.
I'm going to the hot air balloon.
Oh my god.
Owen's going to 30, 12.
Have a big game.
Teleport to me quick.
Okay, I'm gonna teleport to you instead.
8, 7, 6. I'm going to sit down.
Let me sit down.
And I'm not.
Guys, I think in the next video I have to get monkey box because I'm still trying to get monkey box.
Man, after this, can we go do a TikTok food tag tomorrow? Me and you and adopt me.
A TikTok food hack.
A TikTok hack.
Okay.
TikTok
Maybe. But guys, I've still got to play some more Adopt Me. So yes, Ahmed.
Yeah.
And we'll be all together trying hacks, right?
Yeah. I'm not happy.
Phoebe's accepting
I'm like
a
Captain
birthday for you.
Junior. I'm like Captain Junior.
Go! Wait, Ahmed, let's get on these.
Yeah, that's a TikTok quick tag.
That's an hack.
Yeah. Let's try to.
I have these.
Sit
now.
down.
Oh,
Let's sit down.
God.
Let's try to
Another
sit
puma,
down.
a monkey, and a puma.
I'm
and a
trying to
robin.
sit down. This is not hack.
Sit. Well, sit.
It goes in action.
It falls.
It's gonna be so funny.
Okay, guys. I think I was showing you 0 hacks, but this is just gonna be harder.
It's actually, you can actually stay on the fly. But our first hack.
That's not the first hack, because we're not doing a hack
Oh yeah, but we're doing it tomorrow.
tomorrow, guys. But Ahmed, maybe another day.
No, tomorrow. Because we're gonna hit you with Happy Junior.
Fine. Tomorrow. Guys, make sure to stay tuned for tomorrow's video.
I
Then.
watch Happy Junior as well.
Who's Hopping Junior? I've been saying.
Okay, it's just a fake person. Call the law.
The last job, and then we have to.
No, still more.
No, the last week.
More.
Guys, stop. Don't listen to Ahmed, guys.
Because you're at school right now.
I have to be at school because I want to.
I want to tell you.
I want to get a monkey box. I only have 5 days to get a monkey box, so I'm going to get some more.
I am real.
Ahmed, would you be kind to buy me a monkey box?
Why? What? Why would they buy you a monkey box?
That's kind of rude. I thought you were Jeremy.
Wait, I need to go in the room.
Oh,
Hi guys, my name is Gary today.
hi Jeremy. Can I have a monkey box?
Okay, come over. Why you feel bad?
Okay,
Oh, do
wait.
you want me to give you a tap?
A monkey box. Guys, I'm
Hello
gonna.
guys, my name is Doris. Today I'm giving Omen a free leg box.
Excuse me. Why's your name Don't Chip Army?
Because I wanted to try, because I wanted to get my new name. Now follow me.
Okay. Oh, are you doing a YouTube video?
Yes, on my channel called Jeremy.
And I'm recording. Guys, I met Jeremy 11. It's my brother because you can. Just gonna get him.
My name is Jeremy. Today I'm giving.
Come on, let's go to the carnival.
Quick.
Are you gonna leave game?
I am going to leave. Sorry.
You
You left me.
I ever left game. I want my monkey box. No, I'm not done by it. Wait, is that for you? You can have it.
I'm having it, and I'm going to keep the monkey.
Oh, what did you get? What did you
I
get?
got 2 colour cans.
Oh, guys, he bought it for himself. But guys, I wish I.
Hello guys, my name is Jeremy.
Oh man, are you gonna give me a gift?
Give you a kiss. Okay, follow me.
No. Give Anna from hand. Give me something from your backpack. That you have two of.
Make me fly. No!
Do you have two monkeys there, Med?
Make me fly.
Oh.
Hey, can you?
Wait, what? You're stealing my cat, Ready? Did you know that?
Donut.
Thank you. I'm gonna go back.
Wait, Amran, I'm gonna give you a.
Oh, it's
I'm gonna give you a. I'm gonna give you a float.
So guys, I'm just gonna finish.
And let's go to the water park.
It's the middle of the night.
No, let's go quick. Oh, so I'm gonna not be. Hello guys, my name is Robbie. Today we're gonna do some TikTok food hacks.
That's in the next video.
Okay. Okay, let's just go. To the
Guys, on the Able family, what's that, guys? Just 20
My
subs.
name is Jeremy.
I'm flying.
His name's Jamie.
My name is Jeremy and I got the
I
street.
didn't know.
I
Oh
am
my
flying.
god, cute boy. Guys, if you did, let's see it together, guys. Smash that like button and win. See you next
Did you
time.
see my outfit?
That's his outfit. Okay, guys. Smash that like button and win.
Freddie and Pan, did you see my pink outfit?
Okay. Smash that like button and win.
Wait! I'm gonna show you something.
Okay. Smash that like button and win. See you next time. Goodbye.